everybody, my name is Francis. I want to show you how to make money with Upwork. Upwork is a freelancer site that you can use to make money by completing some contracts, completing some work for clients. So now I want to take you step by step for making money in Upwork. What is Upwork? Upwork is a free marketplace that connects freelancer contractor to potential clients based on verifying skill sets. Clients post job they need to be completed and the freelancers can bid on the jobs. They are interested in jobs. Clients post job they needed to be completed and the freelancer can bid on the job they are interested in. Job can include graphic design, editing, writing cover letter, blog posts, or other virtual assistant. Here are some key takeaways. One of the advantages of using Upwork is that it is a non-vetted freelancer marketplace, making it easier for a beginner to get started. Upwork does require new freelancers to get their profile approved to ensure there is a need for the service they offer for fixed price projects. Unlike other platforms, it accepts freelancers in many specialists for both full-time and part-time gigs. It's easier for freelancers to get started on Upwork, but make sure you are thoughtful about the clients and jobs you take on so you aren't taken advantage of. Make sure you raise your rate as your experience level grows. Then, how to make money on Upwork step by step. Instead of just hoping to be best by promoting your writing skill on social media, try setting up an account on Upwork to get more work. Here are the steps you can take to start making money on Upwork today. Then that step is step 1. Set up your Upwork profile. Step 2. Verify your identity. Step 3. Choose your pricing. Step 4. Start applying for jobs. Then let me start by step 1. Setting up your Upwork profile. The first step to make money on Upwork is setting up your freelancer profile. Sign up button and use a Gmail account, working email address, or an Apple ID to create your account. From there, you will add your personal information and work history. Make sure you highlight the service you plan to offer. Follow along with the prompts and Upwork will let you when your profile is 100% complete. Then step 2, verify your identity. One of the changes Upwork has implemented in recent years is that it requires freelancers to verify their identity before they can apply for work. Once you've verified, you will have a badge of your profile that potential clients can see. This helps you build trust and credibility with potential clients. The first step to verify your identity is to use a government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport. From there, you will go through a video verification process where an Upwork employee will ask you a few questions about your profile. Step 3. Choose your pricing. The next step is to choose your pricing. You can either set up hourly or fixed rate projects with clients. There are pros and cons to both options. If you use the hourly pricing option, you will log your time on the Upwork app. The advantage of hourly pricing is that Upwork guarantees you will get paid for the work you've already completed. However, as you get faster and more clients at your work, an hourly pricing could cause you to lose money. With fixed rate pricing, you and the client will agree to set amount for the entire project. This ensures you aren't just trading time for money, but it can be easy to undercharge for being project for big project. But it can be easy to undercharge for big projects if you are new to freelancing. Then step 4, applying for job. Next, it's time to start applying for jobs so you can find your first client. Fortunately, you can never run out of job to apply for on Upwork. For your first couple of jobs, you may have to accept a lower rate until you have some social proof. But once you have a few clients under your belt and some good reviews, you can begin raising your prices. There is a type of membership in Upwork. When you create your Upwork account, there are two different plans you can choose between: the Freelancer Basics and the Freelancer Plus plans. The basics plan is free and come with a 10 connect each month, which you use to apply for jobs. Here are some other things to consider. Most jobs require up to 6 connect each to apply, depending on the size of the job. For instance, small job of $49 or less will cost 2 connect. Medium job of $50 to $599 costs 4 connect, and a large project over $600 will cost 6 connect. If you are regularly applying for job, the free connect you receive may not be enough. You can buy additional connect at 15 cents each, and you can also sign up for the Plus membership. Yes, a Plus membership is $14.99 a month and come with 70 connect. You will receive additional perks like the ability to see the bidding range on jobs you are applying for. Upwork fees. Once you start making money on Upwork, the company will take a percentage of everything you earn. You will pay a 10% fee on every project you do. This fee is the same for fixed rate projects and hourly projects. Finally, if you are looking for a way to make money as a freelancer, Upwork can be a good option for you. Freelancing on Upwork is one of the few side hustles where you can start earning money almost immediately, and it has a large selection of jobs for which you can apply. However, it will take some work to get your profile set up, and you may have to accept lower rates in beginning. But if you are consistent about looking for job and doing good work for clients, Upwork can be another tool to help you grow your freelancing business. Thank you and God bless you. My name is Francis again. Don't forget to click on that red button, subscribe to our channel. That's whenever we drop or I drop a write up like this or a video like this, whenever I drop a video like this, YouTube will notify you and become one of the first person to watch the video. Thank you and God bless you.